Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to edit a website. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for all website management. Once inside, navigate to either the Pages or Posts section, depending on the content you wish to modify. Familiarize yourself with the basic interface, which typically includes a main content area and various settings panels. This initial step is crucial for gaining control over your site's elements. Now, let's dive into editing your actual content. You can easily modify text using the intuitive block editor or the classic editor if you prefer. To enhance your pages, add and manage images and videos directly through the media library. Remember to utilize formatting options like headings, lists, and bold text to make your content clear and engaging. These tools give you full control over your site's visual presentation and readability. Beyond content, customizing your site's appearance is straightforward. Head over to the Appearance menu, where you can select and customize themes. Here, you can modify your site identity, adjust colors, and choose appropriate typography to match your brand. Don't forget to arrange widgets in sidebars or footers and organize your navigation menus for an optimal user experience. A well-designed site keeps visitors engaged for longer periods. Finally, before your changes go live, always preview them to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, simply click Publish or Update for your pages and posts. It's also vital to understand the importance of regular backups, perhaps weekly or monthly, and keeping your WordPress installation and plugins updated for security. These practices ensure your website remains secure, functional, and always presents your best work to the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.